Hey everybody, Neil here with Insure You Colorado, and today we're going to be talking about landlord insurance policies. If you own a rental property or are thinking about purchasing one, make sure to stay tuned. It's important to know that there's a big difference between an owner-occupied insurance policy and a landlord policy. If you moved out of what was once your primary home and then turned it into a rental property without notifying your insurance company, you could be putting yourself at significant risk for a potential gap of coverage. So what exactly is landlord insurance? To put it simply, landlord insurance is a type of policy that protects you from financial loss that you may incur as a landlord. A landlord insurance will typically cover the cost to rebuild or repair your rental property if damaged by fire, hail, or other covered losses. It can provide coverage for the loss of rental income too if your property becomes unlivable following a covered loss. In addition, most landlord policies provide liability protection should someone get injured on or within your rental property. Today we're covering just the basics, but each insurance carrier has optional coverage that can be added onto a policy to provide even more protection. Now, not all policies are created equal, and with the emergence of popular home sharing companies such as VRBO and Airbnb, it's important to know that each carrier might treat a short-term rental exposure differently than a home that has a long-term tenant. Some carriers may automatically include coverage for short-term occupancy, while others may require a special policy modification known as an endorsement to add coverage onto the policy. Some carriers simply won't allow coverage for short-term occupancy, which is why it's extremely important that you check your policy documents or consult with an insurance professional to make sure you're paying for something that will be there when you need it the most. A common question we get is, how much does landlord insurance cost? Well, it varies. There's numerous factors that impact the cost, such as a home size, location, and build type. Other factors can include your credit score and any prior insurance claims that you have made. It's also important to note that your tenant's personal belongings are not going to be covered under a landlord policy, and that we highly recommend that you have your tenants carry renter's insurance. Not only will it protect their personal belongings, it'll provide them liability coverage should they cause accidental damage to your rental property. If you would like a quote or a complimentary policy review, our team's always here to help. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to check out our channel for more helpful content.
For the best price without sacrifice, Insure You Colorado.